Welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to replace a wheel bearing of a VW Polo 1.6, the one with the red disc at the back. It should be the similar procedure as the one with a drum disc at the back. So what we'll do, we'll start by removing the wheel from the car and then we can take it from there. We are going to use 13 and 15 to loosen this brake caliper. So number 15 will go in here. It goes in there. I think you can use 14, you can get away with 14 also. And then 13 will go in here. So what you need to do, this is it. Just need to push it down. Then you do the same thing at the bottom one. So this is it. So this is the screw that we need to take out for that is holding the caliper. So we'll just finish up with the top one. So it is off, but now there is a handbrake line here that comes here. I'll show you once I'm taking it. I've already taken it out. There is a handbrake line here. You need to make it loose. You need to go to the front and drop your handbrake. Make sure that the front is secure so that it does not move. Now, once it's here, you can make this thing loose here, the one at the bottom here. Then it's the one that is holding it's your brake. Now, from the inside, we've got an M8 H8 that we need to fit here to remove this caliper holder.
Daddy, the phone is fully charged. If that
No. Okay, let me just show you what was happening with this brake caliper, with this wheel bearing when we are driving. So that is what it's doing. So the bearing from the inside is gone. So we're just going now to remove this. I'll find there's a torque screw. The size is a T30. Not sure if you can see it, but it's a T30 that we need to use here to remove this caliper. This is our disc, and this is how you will take out your disc if you were replacing it. So this bolt, you will use a 30 mil to take it out, and from here I can say you are done. So you just pull this thing out. So there's the bearing. That's it. So I'm just going to clean up. I will clean up here, and then this is the ABS sensor. This guy here is the ABS sensor. So we're just going to clean up, and then we put the new bearing. If you need to do a conversion from the drum to the disc at the back, I think you can buy the things for 1.6. So you'll need this dust shield, a disc, and a caliper, disc holder, a caliper holder, whatever, and this thing here. I think you need to buy this converter. Maybe you're looking at 2,000 per side, because caliper, I think they go for 1,000 or so, and a disc 400. Bearing is the same. Bearings are the same, so you don't need to worry. So now let's continue. We're just going to fit up a new wheel bearing, and then we should do a reverse order for everything. Now here's our new wheel bearing. We're just going to fit it up. Here is the way the ABS sensor will sense while we're driving, and then it goes like this. It comes with a cover, a new cover, and a nut. I'll show you now. Just let me just fit this one, then we should be there. We go. Here's our new nut and our new cover. So we are basically done. We're just going to tighten this one. According to the internet, we need to torque this to 90 to 17 Newton meters. So I'm just going to torque it now. So now we are going to fit the disc again. And then here's our screw for the disc, and then it's a T30. T30 to hold the brake disc. Now I'm going to fit this guy, the caliper holder, back using the 2 screws. Now I'm going to show you how to wind this caliper, this piston of the caliper. I'll show you what we need to use now. To push the caliper, we're going to use this thing. It's called brake pistol tool. You can get it from Adenhof. It's 75 bucks, this thing. If you've got a rear calipers, they need to be winded. They don't push. You wind them back. You don't push them like what we normally do in the front brakes. So you use this thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach it here, and then we wind it back. It's easier when it's holding here. We've just discovered a new problem. This thing, you need to push something that can go in. This one is too big, it's not going in. I'm lazy to go and check for something again. You see, this one's there. They've got a play. This is M8, H4, H8, so I need H7. Let me go and look. We are not winning, so this thing, it's not working. Let me do it my way. I normally use this thing. Maybe I'll get something from Timo. This thing, for me, it didn't work. Maybe I'll try again with something that can fit in here straight. So with this one, you must just open it up. Just make sure that your brake reservoir is open, that side from the front, so that it can go in easily. After 10,000 years later, we've managed to open up our caliper. So we're just going to fit our brake pads here. Our new brake pads. I fitted them in, and then I realized that the car was making the bearing was gone, so that's why I took them out and I had to put the old one, so I had to mix match. We still have, I had to take one from one side and then the other one from the other tire, then make them like this and then drive while the car was still making that so I think maybe let me just finish these two, and then you just make sure that you just wind this thing in so that the caliper can fit with a disc in here. Once you are done, you push it like this. You remember it's 15 13 15 13. The brakes, they will come with the new screws, and just like that, I believe we can say we are done with this build. And then we will just pull this handbrake wire. It needs to attach here, this handbrake, it needs to attach here, but we'll do it once I'm done. I'll just fit it in. If you play around with this thing, it will push the caliper back, so don't. You'll have to wind again. So sharp here at the bottom, you just need something that will hold. Then you can go and adjust your handbrake. Should be fine. Thank you.